Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Online. Today we are talking about of cost in economics. Cost. Cost it is the expenditure incurred by the firm in the production of goods and services. Cost may be many types because in accounts we know about of direct cost, variable cost, fixed cost, total cost, mixed cost, like that. But in economics, there are four types of cost: money, first one is money, second real cost, third economic cost, fourth opportunity cost. Money. It is a remuneration of the factors of production are paid in the form of money. It's called a money cost. Money cost is the payment that made by the firm for doing the production. Real cost. This is the payment made to indirect labor. That labor are made, or we can say like that, it is the all kind of labor that are indirectly involved in the production projects. These are called as a real cost. Economic cost. Expenses that incurred by the firm in the producing commodity is called a economic cost. The all process in the production process, whatever the expenses incurred, that called as economic cost. Opportunity cost. Opportunity means some benefit. Opportunity cost of anything is a next best alternative cost. The company, when the company decide to produce any two goods, he see that these goods has a this much benefit and second has a one plus benefit, means more than first one, so they will try to produce on the second one. That's called as opportunity cost. They found the opportunity. Cost function. Cost function is the functional relationship between cost of production and physical quantity of output. The cost functions is nothing, only the simple relationship of the cost of production and physical quantity of output. There are three types of cost functions: variable cost, fixed cost, and total cost. Fixed cost. Fixed costs are the costs that are always fixed in the level of productions. They don't change. Variable cost, they change according to the variable, according to the production process, the level of production process. If one unit variable cost is 1 rupees, the second unit variable cost will become the 2 rupees. But fixed cost always the one. Total cost. When we add variable cost and the fixed cost, that's called as a total cost. Or in a total, we can say the total cost that incurred in the production process. The labor, the production money, raw material prices, expenses, anything, sales and promotion, everything. That's called as total cost. Economic of large scale productions. The economic of scale that's called that used in the cost of productions. Economic scales are the reduction in the per unit cost of production. As the volume of production increase, then the cost of the product will be decreased. In a big company use now that if you produce high, if the quantity of the production will be high, then the price of the goods will be low. Just like a China, as we can see, China has a various quantities and they are producing every time. They are producing, they don't think about of what the market they have to sell. They just product, they produce whatever they want to produce, just produce, and after that they are selling. Due to that much production, their production cost is nearly insane. So the price of the goods is less less than even you can think about. This economic of scale is divided into three: internal economics and external economics. Internal economics means the firm explain their business. The firm wants to expand their business, size of the business, or increase its output. They got the some advantage. That's called internal economics. External economics, firm is a unit, a group of firm. It's called an industry. When the industry want to expand, and they got the some advantage, that advantage is called as a external economics of scale. Internal economic of scale, when the firm, only one single firm that wants to expand, and they got the some benefit from the society, from the community, that's called as internal economic of scale. And when the industry, that's I mean the total number of firms. In IT industry there are the various companies like that. So in the industry, if the industry want to expand and they got the benefit, so that's called as a external economic of scale. So today we are and now the theory of cost of economics and thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe my channel, please. Thank you everyone.